Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For today's topic, I would like to share about two things you might don't know on how to keep your hard drive from being full. For your information, a full hard drive will make our laptop become slower. Most people will clear their personal files to empty some spaces for their hard drive. For example of the personal files that common have been deleted are old movies and old files that did not need to use anymore. But there are several unimportant files that keep occur in your laptop without you even notice it and without even you know where it been kept. Most of the average user knew about the existence of temporary files in their laptop. Some of them have done the tutorial on social media on how to clear the temporary files. They said that this temporary files is the one that makes your hard drive full. So the question is it true that these temporary files really the one that makes your hard drive full? The answer is not quite true. It is true that these temporary files is one of the reasons that makes your hard drive full. It is because these files are unimportant files that do not need to be kept for a long time. If you keep it for so long, for about 1 year, these temporary files might consume a lot of your hard drive capacity, but it takes time to consume a lot of space. These temporary files only consume for about 60 megabyte out of 256 gigabyte hard drive, which average user have. The value is so small compared to the other two things that you might not know. Many people know on how to clear the temporary files. Just in case you don't know on how to do it, here's the tutorial. First, go to the search section, then type %10% and click on the folder appear on it. After that, you can use the combination Ctrl and A to select all the folders in the temporary files. You can delete all the folders that you have selected. So this is the method on clearing the temporary files is common for average user. Now I will introduce to you the first thing that consumes your storage without you even notice it. It is called cache and cookies. Cache is used to store online pages resources during a browser to decrease the loading time. It stores temporary files of website so that you can view the website faster in the future. On the other hand, cookies are employed to store user choices such as browsing session to trace the user preference. Cookies are downloaded to your computer when you are visiting a website. As I mentioned before, the cookies can store previous activity on that site and user preferences, so this information can be retrieved the next time you visit the same site. Every time you are browsing the internet using your browser, this cache and cookies file automatically will be saved on your laptop. The more websites you are browsing, the more cache and cookies will be saved in your hard drive. In 1 month, cache and cookies can be stored up to 1 gigabyte in your storage. Imagine if these cache and cookies being stored for several months. You need to clear all the cache and cookies in your laptop in order to free some spaces for your hard drive. So, to clear all the cookies and cache, you'll need to use one application. The application called CCleaner. This application will help you to clear all the cache and cookies from all your browser in one click. No matter what browser you're using, either Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and other browser, this CCleaner will clear all the cache and cookies in all those browsers. To install the CCleaner, go ahead to Google and type CCleaner. click the download website and then click the free download. Then it will start downloaded. After it finished download, you can start install the application. Run the installer as administrator and click yes. Leave all the settings for the installation as default, then click install. We decline any free application that comes with the installation because we do not need any free application to clear the cache and cookies. We just need the CCleaner application. Now we can clear all the cache and cookies with this application. Open the CCleaner, head on to the custom clean, then check all the internet cache and cookies boxes for all the browsers in Windows tab and application tab. If you have Spotify on your laptop, you also can clear Spotify cache on this application by checking the Spotify cache box in application tab. You will need to quit all the browser and Spotify on the taskbar before you click the run cleaner. Press the run cleaner and it will start clearing all the cache and cookies in all your browser. This process may take a few moments, depends on how much your cache and cookies sizes. Look at the capacity of the cache and cookies. For me, it is up to 700 megabyte. 700 megabyte is bigger than the temporary files that the average user knows. Every month, you need to clear the cache and cookies in CCleaner so that your hard drive have some spaces and your web browsing experience will become smoother than before. For the second thing, you might don't know on how to keep your hard drive from being full, will be continued in the next video. Thank you.